Good morning, sir. I am Jen Cadet Alteso. My discussion is all about MARPOL Annex 4. MARPOL Annex 4 established regulations for the prevention of pollution by sewage from ships. It applies to vessels of 400 gross tonnage and above, or those certified to carry more than 15 persons, requiring them to be equipped with sewage treatment system and to comply with strict discharge regulations. Ships falling under this category must obtain an International Sewage Pollution Prevention or ISPP certificate issues after an inspection to confirm compliance with sewage treatment and discharge requirements. To meet the requirements of Annex 4, ships must be fitted with either an approved sewage treatment plant, a sewage commuting and disinfecting system, or a holding tanks for sewage storage. Good morning again, sir. I'm Engineer Cadet Alteso. To continue my discussion, let's go on to MARPOL Annex 5. MARPOL Annex 5 focuses on the prevention of pollution by garbage from ships and establishes regulations to control the disposal of waste at sea. It applies to all ships, including commercial, fishing, and recreational vessels, and aim to minimize the harmful impact of marine litter on the environment. Under Annex 5, ships are required to minimize, manage, and properly dispose of garbage, with strict prohibition on the discharge of the certain types of waste. The discharge of plastics, including synthetic ropes, fishing gear, and plastic garbage bag, is completely prohibited anywhere at sea. Other types of waste, such as food waste, paper, glass, and metal, have specific disposal rules depending on the ship's distance from the nearest land, or if it is in a special area where stricter control apply. For instance, food waste may only be discharged at least 3 nautical miles from land if ground to less than 25 mm or 12 nautical miles if not processed. Special areas such as the Mediterranean Sea, the Baltic Sea, and the Antarctic region impose more stringent regulations, often requiring ships to retain all garbage on board for disposal at port reception facilities. Good morning, sir. I am Engineer Cadet Alteso. My last discussion is all about MARPOL Annex 6. MARPOL Annex 6 focuses on the prevention of air pollution from ships, aiming to reduce harmful emissions that contribute to environmental and human health issues, such as acid rain, ozone depletion, and climate change. It applies to all ships and establishes limits on emissions of sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, ozone depletion substances, volatile organic compounds, and greenhouse gases. One of the key requirements of Annex 6 is the control of sulfur content in fuel oil. As of January 1, 2020, the global sulfur cap was reduced to 0.50% mass by mass, except to designated emission control areas, where the limit is even stricter at 0.10% mass by mass. Ships can comply by using low sulfur fuel, installing exhaust gas cleaning system, or adapting alternative fuel like LNG, liquefied natural gas.